Database design. The process of designing the general structure of the database is categorized into two types: logical design, physical design. Logical design. Deciding on the database schema, database design requires that we find a good collection of relation schemas and data. Logical design is more conceptual and abstract than the physical design, where user will look at the logical relationships among the objects. Physical design. During the physical design process, user convert the data gathered during the logical design phase into a description of the physical database as table and constraints. In the physical design, user will look at the most effective way of storing and retrieving the objects. Process for database design. Analyze business needs and plans. This is the remaining steps. Draft a database outline. Gather all of the types of information to record in the database, such as product name and order number. Check system requirements. Divide information items into major entities or subjects such as products or orders. Each subject then become a table. Last test data. Decide what information needs to be stored in each table. Each item becomes a field and is displayed as a column in the table. Define calculations. Choose each table's primary key. The primary key is a column or a set of columns that is used to uniquely identify each row. An example might be product ID or order ID. Define reports. Look at each table and decide how the data in one table is related to the data in other tables. Add fields to tables or create new tables to clarify the relationships as necessary. Verify with user. Analyze the design for errors. Create tables and add a few records of sample data. Check if results come from the tables as expected. Make adjustments to the design as needed. Repeat process as needed. Apply the data normalization rules to see if tables are structured correctly. Make adjustments to the tables.